Hello everyone, welcome back for another video. Welcome back to my channel. Slowly it's growing. Let's work, let's begin. As always, full body. Today will be conditioning, strength and conditioning, but of course I will add some mobility as well. So let's begin with something very simple. Knees on the ground, toes on the ground, arms on the ground, look up. Rotate your pelvis, exhale, push up. Breathe 3, 2, 1, good. Arch your lower back. Push your chest towards the floor, look up. Exhale. Breathe 3, 2, 1, go again. Rotate your pelvis. Hold here, 3, 2, 1, then arch again. Look up, breathe. 3, 2, 1, good job. From here, we just rotate your pelvis, raise your knees off the ground, and just step back, step forward, step back, step forward. 3, 4, push from your shoulders and shoulder blades. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep holding. Straight arms. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Then open your knees a little bit towards the side. Move your pelvis backward. Arms go straight a little bit. Look forward. Feel your hips. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Good job. From here, right arm. Twist your spine towards the right side. Exhale. Look up. 3, 2, 1. Switch. Left arm goes up. Rotate with your hand together. Exhale. 3, 2, 1, and back. Good job. Elbows on the ground. From here, we're doing same, but on our elbows. Raise your knees off the ground. Rotate your pelvis. Engage your core and lower back. Step back. Elbow plank. Step forward. Try to not raise your butt too high. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Knees on the ground. Left leg goes straight back. Look forward. Keep your right knee on the ground. Then you raise your left leg off the ground 10 times up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go ahead. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Switch. Right go back. Engage your core, lower back, and let's work 10 times up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Back. From here again, open your knees wide a little bit. Try to keep your heels together. Move your hips back. Stretch a little bit your upper body. Exhale, breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back. Slowly back. Good job. Arms in front of you. Look forward. We'll do some upper body mobility. Your right arm go up. You push from your left shoulder and shoulder blade. Bring it behind your back. Try to grab your hip, your left one. Exhale and twist up. 3, 2, 1, and back. Good job. Same thing with your left. Up, push from your right shoulder blade. Slowly rotate your arm. Try to grab your hip. Exhale, push up. 3, 2, 1, and back. Slowly rotate up. Good job. From here, slowly step forward, bring your hip closer to the ground. Good job. We will start raising our arms. 1 and back. 2, go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Hold 3, 2, 1. Back. From here, lengthening for the spine, our back goes straight forward, legs straight. We have 90 degrees. And back. Keep a low back and spine straight. Go ahead. 2, 3. Good job. 4, 5, 6, 7. Go ahead. 8, 9. One more. 10. Hold. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your knees slowly. Arms go forward. Relax a little bit. Stretch. 3, 2, 1. Good. From here, we go slowly to down facing dog. Push our shoulders, chest towards the ground. Keep your legs straight. Hold. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Plank position. Slowly pushing down. Slowly hold here. Then slowly push up. Your left arm touch the right toe and then back. And then again, slowly push down. Slowly push up. And then touch. We continue 10 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Down facing dog. Flex. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Slowly. Right leg goes in front of you. Left goes straight. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Bring your knee on the ground. Your left knee on the ground. Straight arms in front of you. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left elbow goes on the ground. Right arm go up. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back. Good. Down facing dog. Left leg go forward. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knee on the ground. Push your hips forward. Straight arms forward. breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7, continue. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right elbow on the ground, left arm goes up, hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back, down facing dog. Good job. Slowly we're stepping forward. Good job. Straight back. Raise your upper body. Left leg goes up 90 degrees, hold. Then we will start working from our hips. Back, twist, rotate your right one and push up. Switch. 1, breathe and up. Left. Continue. Switch side. Try to keep your hips closer to the floor. Left, open, close, push, back, open, push, open, close, up, open, close, up. 2 more, close, up, back, open, close, up. Good job. Exhale, legs together. Deep inhale, then exhale, push your arms up. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Lengthening for the spine, fall forward as deep as you can. Bring your arms on the ground, slowly step back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. From here, plank position. Bending our right knee, touch the floor. 1 and continue. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. Bend the left knee in front of you and start to open towards the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Switch right one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Down facing dog. From here, slowly rotate your pelvis, arch your low back, lie down. Arms in front of you, chin on the ground. We'll start raising our left leg up 10 times. 1, 2, higher. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then switch. 1, 2, go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch left. 1, 2, higher. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Then bend your left leg, grab your toe, push towards the ground, hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. Grab the right one, push towards the floor. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Arms closer to your upper body. Exhale up. Breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly back to baby pose. Lengthening for the spine. Bring your hip forward. Bring your hips back. Arms forward. Exhale. Good job. That's it. Thank you for today. Nice and easy practice. Hope you'll be able to practice it. Take care of yourself. Wish you all the best. Peace.